Now let's move to the marketing module. In marketing module, we have campaigns, WhatsApp, and templates. This module helps business automate campaigns and customer communication. The process starts with the template creation. Users can create message templates, add campaign body content. Here's you want to say something related to your content. Insert the dynamic variables, which can include the customer name, company name, product details, and location. This allows businesses to personalize campaigns at scale. You can add any image here as well with the category and the template name. So this is all dynamic and this will help you create a template. So once a template is created, you will be able to view under your category that you selected. These are all the examples. We have WhatsApp bot integration as well. So one of the key highlights is WhatsApp bot integration. Through this integration, users can view all the leads, send WhatsApp templates, launch campaigns, automate responses, and communicate directly with customers. This improves engagement speed and customer response management. We have the access for tickets and leads and the messages here. We have campaign module as well. In campaign module, we have statuses like scheduled, what's going to be live today, and what's completed, what's inactive, and what's failed. We have a campaign calendar as well, which have a calendar view and insights dashboard. Users can schedule campaigns, plan marketing activities, and track campaign performances. You can see the insights where we have delivery reports, open rates, response tracking, engagement metrics, conversion analytics. This helps business measure campaign effectiveness in real time. You can add a campaign according to your needs as well. Select a campaign type, which is going to be WhatsApp for now. You can have Meta, Instagram, Facebook, etc. here. You can give a name to the campaign and select the target audience. Upload any Excel sheet you want to have it as a document and choose a template type that you created under templates. Once a campaign is submitted, you'll be able to see it here. We have a ticketing system as well. Now let's look at the ticketing module. Support tickets can be raised directly from the lead or the customer profile. So let's try to create a tickets from here. This creates seamless coordination between sales and support departments. User can create the tickets, assign to departments, set priorities, upload the attachments, track ticket progress, and monitor the resolution timelines. All ticket history remains connected to the customer profile.